everyone, welcome to Life Thoughts Camera YouTube channel. In today's video, I will be talking about Nilkamal plastic cabinet, which is a plastic cupboard. The model name is Nilkamal Freedom Mini Large. It is also a plastic storage cabinet in the color weathered brown, also biscuit. This video will be focused on unboxing and first impression. About the brand. Nilkamal is an Indian brand that specializes in furniture and mattress. When I was young, I remember this. Whenever I saw a plastic chair anywhere, it had a Nilkamal sticker on it. That's how popular this brand was, and it still is. Apart from plastic, they also have wooden-based products. They have over 50 plus stores all over India, and you can also shop online. Please do check out my description box for the official website link. Why did we choose this product? We live in a rented apartment that does not have much storage space. We were managing until now, but due to current situations, our pantry supply has increased a little bit. So to keep them sorted inside, we needed some storage. Actually, any storage was okay with us. Our main goal was to not keep our supplies in the open, as we have cats, and our kitchen is also an open kitchen. We also wanted something that does not need any assembly help. Where did I buy it from? I bought this cupboard from Amazon. Check the description box for the shopping link. Cost and lifespan of the product. It costs 7,130 rupees. And as for lifespan, you get a 1-year warranty on manufacturing defects. Claims of the product. Shelves are wide and spacious to store clothes, books, etc. Easy to maintain. Product packaging. We received it in a brown cardboard box, and it was enclosed using PP straps and transparent duct tapes. I hope I'm getting all these names right. Upon opening the box, we found them packaged in bubble wraps. Each piece was not individually packed, but they were packed in bunches. I would recommend to first check if all the parts are accounted for. Our box had the sticker inside with all the parts mentioned. You can easily cross-check them as the parts have stickers on their sides which mention their names. For example, this part here has a sticker back panel sub-assembly. We placed all the parts on the floor and counted them. A hard copy of the manual, the instructions come in only English, and the diagram explains how to do all the assembly. Trust me when I say this, it was really easy to assemble. I'm sharing the photos of the manual. Please pause the video to view them. The assembly. The assembling was not that hard. We just followed the manual and started joining all the parts. We did not need any tools for assembling this cupboard. As you can see, our cats were pretty excited and also gave us a hand. They made sure we were not alone and did all the checks, such as strength test. How it looks when it is fully assembled. This is the front view. This is how it looks when it is fully assembled. It has dark brown as well as light cream color. It's pretty neutral and does not look much like a plastic cupboard. It has 2 doors that swivel open. The door also has a lock on the inside and a lock on the outside. I personally loved that the levels can be put in any height that we wanted. The height of the cupboard is 181.5 centimeters and the width is 59 centimeters. Since it is plastic, it does not have very good strength. It does buckle a bit, but it easily holds our male cat, Kitty, who's around 6 kgs. My impression. It is perfect for us. We do not need any help with assembling the cupboard. It is lightweight yet sturdy, holds our pantry supplies, which is what we bought this for. If you're looking for something with a Pinterest style, I don't think this is it. But if you're looking for something that gets the job done, as we use it as a pantry, then I would definitely recommend this. I will post an updated video after using this cupboard for 6 months. Please click on the eye icon on the top right corner to view the video. If you're interested in lifestyle, do check out my other videos. Now, don't forget to thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. Bye!